IR remote now included with new purchase of miniDSP SHD, Flex, 2x4 HD. This IR remote is pre-programmed for miniDSP products without requiring any learning process. It is plug-play configured with the latest firmware. miniDSP 2x4 HD, SHD Series, DDRC24, nanoSHARC kit, DDRC88, DDRC22 Series, FW 2.23, OpenDRC Series, All Series, CDSP 8x12, CDSP 8x12DL, miniDSP 2x8/8 x 10 HD, 10x10 HD, nanoDIGI 2x8, nanoDIGI 2x8 kit, miniSHARC kit, FW 2.23. Note that play, pause, next, previous buttons are only enabled for the SHD series. Top reviews from the United States. Works well with my miniDSP DDRC24, 2x4 HD. This is a nice little remote that works well with the miniDSP DDRC24, 2x4 HD. The range seems to be good. I tested it from about 16 feet away. When you first use it, you will need to open the battery compartment and remove the clear plastic insulator under the battery so it will work. Note: it uses a CR2032 lithium battery.